Namaste, I'm Dr. Pooja, Ayurvedic practitioner and wellness consultant at Wellness Loka. Welcome to another episode of Wellness Roads. This video series aims to simplify Ayurveda and make it accessible for everyone. In this episode, let's explore Pranayama. Pranayama, an ancient yogic practice, involves breath control to enhance physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Derived from prana means life force and ayama means extension. Pranayama extends and regulates breath to enhance the vital energy within the body. Now let's look into the types of pranayama. First one is the Dirgha Pranayama or the three-part breath. This involves deep diaphragmatic breathing where the breath is first drawn to the lower belly, then to the rib cage and finally to the chest. It promotes relaxation, oxygenates the blood and calms the mind. Next one is the Nadi Shodhana or the alternative nostril breathing. In this practice, the breath is alternated between left and right nostril using the fingers to block one nostril at a time. Nadi Shodhana balances the flow of prana, that is energy in the body, and clears the energy channels and promotes mental clarity. Next is the Ujjayi Pranayama or the vicious breath. Ujjayi involves breathing deeply and smoothly through the nose while slightly constricting your throat, creating a soft hissing sound. This practice calms the mind, regulates the breath and builds internal heat. Next is Bhaskariga Pranayama or the bellows breath. Bhaskariga consists of rapid and forceful inhalations and exhalations through the nose while keeping the shoulders and chest relaxed. It increases energy, purifies the respiratory system and rejuvenates the body. And the last one is the Kapalabhati Pranayama or the skull spinning breath. Kapalabhati involves rapid, forceful exhalation through the nose followed by passive inhalations. It cleanses the lung, increases oxygenation and energizes the body. Let's see how we can incorporate pranayama into our daily life. Morning routine. Begin the day with Dirgha and Ujjayi Pranayama to awaken the mind and body, increase the energy levels and prepare for the day ahead. Next is for stress management. Practice Nadi Shodhana or Bhramari Pranayama during stress to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. And for work breaks, take short breaks throughout the day to practice a few rounds of Bhaskariga or Kapalabhati Pranayama to refresh the mind, increase the focus and revitalize the body. Before going to bed, wind down in the evening with gentle practice of Dirgha Pranayama or Nadi Shodhana to promote relaxation, release tension and prepare a restful sleep. Next is mindfulness practices. Integrate pranayama with mindfulness meditation by focusing on the breath using seated meditation sessions. This combination enhances self-awareness, cultivates inner stillness and deepens the meditation experiences. So by incorporating pranayama into your day-to-day life can offer numerous benefits for physical, mental and emotional well-being. So start with simple practices and gradually explore different techniques to find out what works best for you. With constant practice, you can experience range of vitality, balance and harmony in your life. Thank you.